Hi friends, my name is Julianne and today we are going to be testing the power of the Kenmore Cordless 2-in-1 Vacuum Cleaner. So this vacuum cleaner can be used in handheld and upright position. As you can see, I've got it in upright position right now. And it comes with this really cool little portable floor mount, which is awesome. So you can also store all of your attachments that the vacuum cleaner comes with, all three of these, which is awesome. And it also comes with an extra filter, and then this mount right here as well, and then of course a charging cable for the vacuum cleaner, so super easy to use. But as you can see, I've got a mess right here, so let's go ahead and see how fast we can vacuum this up. So first, I'm going to simply just take it out of its upright position, boom, just like that, and turn it on, of course. So as you can see, literally picked up all of those annoying little seeds in one single swipe. So very, very powerful. It also works wonderfully in handheld position as well. To get it out of its upright position into handheld, you literally just press this button and boom, you have a handheld vacuum in seconds. So let's go ahead and test out the handheld vacuum. So let's go ahead and put some of the dirt back on the ground. Boom. So I'm gonna slide this filter out, boom, just plop the dog hair it picked up as well. So very powerful and very happy as a dog mom. All right. Now, oh, sorry, I forgot we're doing it handheld. Okay, so now I'm going to literally just turn this on with this button. That's insane. You can literally feel the power and suction of it even in handheld position, which is awesome. So definitely will make a wonderful couch cleaner or car cleaner. I'm super excited about that. But yeah, this vacuum cleaner is definitely very powerful, super lightweight as well, easy to carry around the house, and makes cleaning so much more fun.